Whenever you are studying this subject, applied hydraulics, please do attend all the lectures. Never miss any of the lectures. I will be teaching you around 40 to 45 minutes only for a particular 60-hour sessions. And in that, you have to, and in that, you have to be present and keep a presence of mind. Whenever you are studying the subject, keep a separate notebook. Use calculator, that is FX 911 ES or advanced version of this will do. And always keep a calculator along with you. There is no extra notes required for this subject. Whatever notes I will be providing, you have to use that only. Okay. So the marks distribution for this subject, I will go through that.
So,
yes.
So we have to put the attendance.
Yes, you can put your attendance in the chat box. In the prescribed form, right? You can put your attendance. Whatever format has been prescribed to you by the college, in that format, you just put your attendance in the chat box. Everyone. Okay. We will go through our syllabus copy. So the number of lectures awarded to this subject is three. Number of practical assigned to this subject is 2. Correct? And we are having a credit of 4 pointer in this subject. So the syllabus for this subject is, for this course is impact of jet, hydraulic turbine, centrifugal pump, miscellaneous hydraulic machinery, uniform flow through open channel, non-uniform flow through open channel. Please note down these topics or chapters. Please everyone note down in your notebook. Everyone just note down these topics. Done?
Wait, sir.
Oh. Do everyone is having a separate notebook for this subject, or you are using a rough notebook?
Separate notebook.
Who all are having separate notebook? Please listen. When you are using a separate notebook now, so keep in my format. Your first page will be your name, correct? Leave this page blank. Leave this whole page blank. And in the new page, write over that syllabus and write down the chapters. And again, leave this whole page blank. And from here, you will start your topics. Okay? I need this 2 pages to be blank. I will be providing you unit conversion, constant terms, which will be throughout the syllabus, constant for everyone. Okay? So please keep that 2 pages blank. Note down the syllabus. Impact of jet, hydraulic turbine, centrifugal pump, miscellaneous hydraulic machinery, uniform flow through open channel, non-uniform flow through open channel. Is it clear?
Done, sir.
Okay. So this is the recommended book for applied hydraulics. You must be already having this book, correct? Yes, everyone is having this book. R.K. Bansal.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. You must have used for that as FM1 and FM2. How's your FM1 and FM2 subjects? Was it good? Do you have basic knowledge about fluid mechanics? Yes or no? No answer from everyone. So these are the course outcome. You can go through this. Applying a concept of fluid dynamics through pipe, sprinkler, and bent pipe. Analyze the dimensional problems and explain model. Various functions of various types of turbine, that is Kaplan, Francis, Pelton. These are the types of turbines. We are having the demo piece on our laboratory. We can go through that via virtual version only, because since it is not allowed to visit the college. Explain the basic concept of open channel hydraulic and measurement. We are having a small hydraulic open channel in our hydraulic department also. Identify the occurrence of hydraulic jump and its parameter, and explain the uniform flow and non-uniform flow through mathematical relations. So these are the course outcome after studying this course. Students will be understand this all points. So very first module, that is impact of jet. So in this topic, we are going to cover impulse moment principle, jet starting flat plate, stationary and movable vertical inclined plate. Means in this, there will be a vertical plate, there will be an inclined plate, and there will be a moving as well as stationary. Both types of plate will be provided, and we will be applying a jet over that, and we will going to study what type of force is released by that jet, how much force, what is the magnitude of that force. We are going to study what are the mathematical expression terms being used for these subjects, for that particular cases. We are going to study that all things. Okay. Next, we are going to see inclined plates. When the plate will be inclined, when the plate will be hinge plate, when the plate will be curved plate. These are the various cases. When the plate will be in series, means one another, there will be a series back to back. Correct? And concept of velocity triangle. So these are the, you can say, topics, subtopics of impact of jet module. If you are unaware of what is jet, so you can see over here, this is a jet, you can say. It can be used in our dam, it can be used in machineries. Basically, this is done by mechanical engineers, but we should have a basic knowledge about that. Okay, so this is nothing but a jet provided where there is a high intensity or high velocity of water coming from this. Okay, next topic or next module for our subject, for our course is hydraulic turbines. That is general layout of hydroelectric power plant. Means what is the layout plan? How is the hydroelectric power plant is being constructed? What is its steps, layout? What do you mean by head of efficiency of turbines? How it is being classified? What is the concept of velocity triangle of impulse? Velocity triangle is nothing but a graphical representation of the velocities of the turbine. We are going to study about Pelton turbine, reaction turbine, Francis turbine, draft tube. What is draft tube? What is draft theory? Draft theory. Draft tube theory. What do you mean by specific said? Unit quantities क्या होता है? Characteristics curve क्या होता है? Cavitation का मतलब क्या होता है? ये सारे terms हम लोग पढ़ने वाले throughout the semester. Correct? Next module, that is centrifugal pumps. बराबर? तो centrifugal pumps के अंदर हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे students? We are going to study work done, heads क्या होता है, efficiencies क्या होता है, minimum speed क्या होता है, series in parallel operation, multi-staging pumps क्या होता है, in short pumps क्या होता है, centrifugal pump क्या होता है, कैसे use होता है, उसका mechanism क्या है, working क्या है, वो सब कुछ आपको आ जाएगा इस टॉपिक के अंदर, centrifugal pumps के अंदर. Next topic is quite simple and less than 2 to 3 hours is provided for this topic. We are going to study about hydraulic ram. It is nothing but just an application of hydraulic machines, hydraulic press, hydraulic accumulator, intensifier, crane and lift. Means it is just an application of hydraulic machineries in this topic. We are going to study only about their application, their mechanism, their working. Just a theoretical topic. Next, last and the most important topic, being a civil engineer, you should have a knowledge about open channels, because we are going to deal in this only. Correct? So in this, we are going to study about uniform flow through open channel, that is flow through open channel, its definition, types of channel, what do you mean a prismatic channel, what do you mean by non-prismatic channel, types of flow in channel, uniform flow channel, subcritical flow, supercritical. Those who are from diploma, I think so no one will be from diploma. Is there anyone who is from diploma, direct second year? No, no one. All are from first year to second year, correct?
Yes, sir. Direct
Okay.
diploma.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, direct diploma.
Achha, there,
Diploma,
how many students are from diploma?
sir, around
4 to 5?
20 students.
Achha, around 20 students. Okay. So those who are from direct diploma, they must be having a basic knowledge about chassis formula, Manning's formula. Those who are fresh, don't worry. It's quite good to study something new. Okay. Next one is, earlier it was uniform flow through open channel. Now this one is last module, that is non-uniform flow through open channel. Uniform मतलब constant, कुछ तो constant है, उसके लिए उसका नाम है uniform. Next one is non-uniform, मतलब कुछ तो unconstant है. क्या है, क्यों है, देखेंगे. बराबर, last module है, अच्छा module है. बराबर, देखेंगे क्या है, unconstant क्या है उसके अंदर, क्या क्यों non-uniform नाम है उसका. We are going to study that. Okay. So non-uniform flow through open channel. So we will going to study about the concept of specific energy. What do you mean by specific energy curve? What are dimensional less specific energy, discharge curve. What is the application of specific energy? What do you mean by momentum principle? Gradually varied flow क्या होता है? Equation क्या होता है? Hydraulic jump क्या होता है? Standing waves. ये सारे technical terms है. इसके application, इसके numerical, इसके problems हम देखने वाले. Correct? So बस एक जैसे go through था through your syllabus, you can again go through. ये आपके 6 मॉड्यूल है. Impact of jet. Be clear with your module. The basic is that कि students को अपने chapters के नाम ही नहीं पते रहते. Whenever they are sitting, you are having oral for this subject. Be clear with that. बराबर? You will be having practical and oral for this subject. The first question asked by the examiner is that what are the topics you have covered in this course? Students को वही नहीं पता होता है. So be clear with that. Impact of jet, hydraulic turbines, centrifugal pumps, miscellaneous hydraulic machines, uniform flow through open channel, and last one is non-uniform flow through open channel. Okay. Wherever you have written your topics, उसके बाजू में make a column and write over there marks. Take a heading marks. Beside में एक column बनाओ and write over there marks. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the marks allotted for first module, that is impact of jet. Please note down that. Please note down that marks allotted for the very first module, that is impact of jet, is 25 marks. Is 25 marks. Done?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hydraulic turbines. Second module, that is hydraulic turbines. Marks allotted to that subject is 25 marks again. I am saying which option? 25 marks.
Centrifugal.
Sir, hydraulic turbines 25 marks, no?
Perfect. Next one, miscellaneous hydraulic machinery.
So
Next
centrifugal pump.
Sir, centrifugal pump.
Okay, okay, हाँ. Next one, centrifugal pump. Third module, that is centrifugal pump. Correct? Third module, centrifugal pump. Marks allotted to this module is 15 marks, 1-5. 15 marks, 1-5. Next module, that is miscellaneous hydraulic machinery, 10 marks. Miscellaneous hydraulic machinery, 10 marks. Miscellaneous hydraulic machinery, 10 marks. Uniform flow through open channel, 25 marks. Uniform flow through open channel, 25 marks. Okay. Last one, non-uniform flow through open channel, 35 marks. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the marks distribution done by Mumbai University for your this course content. So just we will go through a quick revision of fluid 1 and fluid 2. I will call out the name. You have to just unmute yourself and say me the answer. Then we'll proceed further. Pawan?
Yes, sir.
What is the symbol for mass density? एनी वन ऑफ यू, मास डेंसिटी का सिंबल क्या है?
रो
रो। मास डेंसिटी का फॉर्मूला क्या है?
मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम।
मास अपॉन वॉल्यूम।
मास डेंसिटी का यूनिट क्या है?
केजी पर मीटर क्यूब।
पर मीटर।
ओके। वेट डेंसिटी का सिंबल क्या है?
न्यूटन। वेट बाय वॉल्यूम।
सिंबल
तो
वेट डेंसिटी का सिंबल।
समथिंग लाइक डब्ल्यू
W
ओमेगा
ओमेगा और गामा बोथ आर राइट। ओमेगा और गामा बोथ आर राइट। व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर मास डेंसिटी? वेट डेंसिटी, सॉरी, वेट डेंसिटी।
वेट बाय
पर मीटर क्यूब।
वेट बाय वॉल्यूम। ओके, राइट। एंड व्हाट अबाउट द यूनिट?
न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब।
न्यूटन पर मीटर क्यूब। ओके, ओके। What do you mean by specific gravity? Any one of you?
density of a substance divided by density of an
Density of
ideal
air or
substance.
air or water.
Mass density of liquid upon mass density of water, standard water, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, weight density. It is also known as relative density.
Yes.
It is a unitless term, correct? Specific gravity of water is 1. Specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. क्या 9.81 बेटा? वो वेट डेंसिटी बता रहे हो आप किलोमीटर पर मीटर क्यूब में। बेसिक बहुत क्लियर रखना। whenever you are studying hydraulics you should have quite knowledge of FM1 and FM2. वहां पे प्रॉब्लम होगा तो यहाँ पे पक्का प्रॉब्लम होगा। लास्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एफिशिएंसी? एफिशिएंसी का फॉर्मूला बताओ। एफिशिएंसी का फॉर्मूला नहीं पता? यस नेल?
Sir, I'm not able to recall it.
ओके, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। ठीक है, आई विल एंड माय सेशन। एक लास्ट इंट्रोडक्शन दे देता हूँ, फिर मैं खत्म करता हूँ इस टॉपिक आज का। मतलब नेक्स्ट लेक्चर अपना कब है? नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मेरा कब है?
कल है। कल
कभी है?
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock है। 11 to 1। ओके, डन डन डन। ओके, ठीक है।
सर टुमारो इज हॉलीडे ना?
अच्छा, टुमारो इज हॉलीडे। ओके ओके, फिर देखते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक ही मिलेगा अपने को लेक्चर। बिकॉज आज अभी मैं आधा अधूरा लेक्चर स्टार्ट नहीं करूंगा, मैं लेक्चर नेक्स्ट सेशन से ही चालू करूंगा। ठीक है, आज से इंट्रोडक्शन देना था, सिलेबस का मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बताना था। पेपर पैटर्न पता है सबको? पेपर पैटर्न फॉर दिस सब्जेक्ट?
नो
सेम
sir.
सिमिलर फॉर ऑल दी सब्जेक्ट। मैं वापस बता देता हूँ व्हाट इज द पेपर पैटर्न। Okay, so listen here, what is the paper pattern for this subject? First हम लोग देखते हैं यूनिट टेस्ट 1 and यूनिट टेस्ट 2. there will be of 20 marks, out of which the average will be taken and end sem will be of 80 marks. 3 hours का पेपर होगा। this is the prescribed by यूनिवर्सिटी, depends। अगर ऑनलाइन एग्जाम हुआ तो सेम प्रिस्क्राइब फॉर्मेट रहेगा जो आपको हमेशा चलते आ रहा था। अगर ऑफलाइन एग्जाम हुआ तो जो पेपर पैटर्न हम लोग का फॉलो होता था वही होगा फॉलो इसमें, करेक्ट? मैं आपको लास्ट के क्वेश्चन पेपर भी दिला दूंगा। इंटरनल असेसमेंट देखो, जब आपका यूनिट टेस्ट 1 होगा तो 40% सिलेबस कंप्लीट होना कंपलसरी है, और जब आपका सेकंड यूनिट टेस्ट होगा तो 80% सिलेबस कंप्लीट होना कंपलसरी है, और 40% वाला पार्ट छोड़ देना कंपलसरी है, करेक्ट? एंड सेमेस्टर एग्जाम में देखोगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 विल बी कंपलसरी क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के अंदर सब पार्ट्स रहेंगे ए और बी, करेक्ट? जो कि मॉड्यूल 3 मॉड्यूल के रहेंगे, मोर देन 3 मॉड्यूल्स के रहेंगे, बराबर? 4 क्वेश्चन नीड टू बी सॉल्व, मतलब 4 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 20 मार्क्स और 3 क्वेश्चन 20-20 मार्क्स के, मतलब टोटल 80 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करने हैं। वही क्वेश्चन नंबर जो आपके अभी तक आपने फर्स्ट ईयर का एग्जाम दिया था, करेक्ट? आप लोगों ने देखा नहीं है। मैं क्या करूंगा, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर लेके आऊंगा हाइड्रोलिक्स का और दिखाऊंगा कैसा पेपर रहता है। मैं समझा आप लोग ने ऑनलाइन एग्जाम दिया, तक ऑफलाइन एग्जाम कभी दिया नहीं है। वी शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर द वर्स्ट कंडीशन। अगर ऑफलाइन एग्जाम हुआ तो हम लोग कैसे पेपर देंगे, वी शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट टर्म।
तो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर हुआ था?
अच्छा, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर हुआ था आप लोग का ऑफलाइन?
यस सर।
तो उसमें देखो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आता था, उसके बाद से 2 3 4 5 में से कोई एक करने बोलते थे, करेक्ट? कोई भी 3
Yes,
करने
sir.
बोलते थे, बराबर?
Yes.
वही सेम फॉर्मेट
Yes,
हाइड्रोलिक्स के लिए भी रहता है, सेम फॉर्मेट। मॉड्यूल फिक्स नहीं रहता कि कौन सा मॉड्यूल किसमें आएगा। जैसे फर्स्ट ईयर में फिक्स रहता है, एक ब्लूप्रिंट आता है, अभी आता है कि नहीं, मेरे टाइम पे तो आता था, अब पता नहीं मेरे को। तो एक ब्लूप्रिंट आता है, उसके थ्रू हम लोग एनालाइज करते हैं, ठीक है। तो इसमें नहीं रहता है, करेक्ट। और कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना आप लोग को, एनी मोर क्वेरी फ्रॉम एनी वन ऑफ यू?
नो सर।
कितने मार्क्स का पेपर?
कौन सा पेपर?
ये अप्लाइड हाइड्रोलिक।
अप्लाइड हाइड्रोलिक्स कितने मार्क्स का होता है? सेम जितने मार्क्स का सारे पेपर होते हैं, 20 मार्क्स के 2 यूनिट टेस्ट और 80 मार्क्स का पेपर।
वाइवा भी होगा?
हाँ वाइवा भी होगा, ये सब्जेक्ट के लिए वाइवा भी होगा 25 मार्क्स का। और कुछ? हेलो,
No,
That's it, sir.
that's
और किसी को कुछ पूछना है ये सब्जेक्ट के रिगार्डिंग?
नो सर।
ओके, आप लोग ने अटेंडेंस दे दी तो आप जा सकते हो, नो इश्यू, यू कैन लीव द मीटिंग। You can leave the meeting, no issue at all.